Let's make some chicken shawarma in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt, tablespoon of mayonnaise, pepper, garlic powder, salt, paprika, garam masala, cumin, turmeric powder, coriander powder, olive oil, fresh garlic, parsley. Mix everything. That's your marinade. About 300 grams of chicken. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh. Just cut them into thin slices like this. Add the chicken to the marinade. Some lemon juice. Mix the chicken. You can marinate it overnight or leave it for an hour in the fridge. That's the chicken done. Take a baking dish that fits into your air fryer. I'm gonna put the chicken in. Spread the chicken. This goes in the air fryer, 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. I actually left the chicken for a bit longer. I left it for 20 minutes in there, and I know that the chicken is cooked. You can tell the chicken is cooked, but the water needs to dry out. So I'm gonna flip the chicken, onions and chilies on top, and put it in the air fryer for another 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius so the onions can grill as well and the chicken can be a bit more charred. Chicken shawarma is ready.